We welcome you to visit us
एक्सपोजर
at the
केल्ल्या खासा
Kalyani
कार्यावळीत
Group
तुमकां येवकार
booth
आमी
in
सध्या
Hall
बिंदू
1.
पिटॉल हांगासर
Thank
आहा.
you and
डिफेन्स
enjoy
एक्सपो
the
2016 उद्घाटन थोड्याच वेळान
M1151
हांगासर सुरवात
Humvee
जातली.
demonstration.
This exhibition for the first time is being held outside Delhi. We have received an overwhelming response from the industry, both foreign as well as Indian, for the show. As a result, I am happy to announce that the number of companies participating in the show has gone up substantially as compared to the last DEF Expo held in Delhi. This time, 1,055 companies are displaying their products and technologies as compared to 624 companies in the last DEF Expo. Being organized for the first time in Goa, there were some teething problems. However, with the active support and cooperation of all stakeholders, including the state government and the industry, this show has become a reality, for which I am thankful to all those who have been involved in the process. As a result of the large number of companies aspiring to participate in this exhibition, the net area of the exhibition has also gone up significantly. As compared to 27,515 square meter of area in last DEF Expo, this time the net exhibition area is 40,725 square meters, an increase of about 48%.
All countries, I suppose, look to defending their frontiers. And those that provide the equipment have over the years set up a robust industrial base in their respective countries. And all countries that are today supplying are called forward countries, developed countries. And they have over the last century passed through a phase which is called the Industrial Revolution. And therefore they have this robust base. India as a country has unfortunately still not been able to achieve what other developed countries have been able to achieve in terms of manufacturing. We have not had an industrial revolution as such. We are still considered an agrarian country. But over the past 70 odd years of our independence, one has been able to set up a robust manufacturing base within the country. Maybe not equivalent to China's, but still a very robust industrial base, possibly because of our industries and possibly because of the government of India's policies. Now today what we are looking for and we are hoping to achieve through exhibitions such as these is that not only we'll be able to manufacture in India, but we'll also be able to design and develop in India. And this is what we look forward to. And whereas all defense procurement for the capital issue, or more or less more of it from the capital side, is from abroad, in the years and decades to come, one hopes that we will be able to source it from within India, either as a partnership with foreign companies that are represented here today, or through our own domestic industrial base, which has so far been kept away from the defense spectrum.
May we extend a very hearty welcome.
Goa is one of the fastest growing and industrially advanced state in the country. We have a significant presence of several public and private sector manufacturing facilities in defense as well as aerospace segments. My government has ensured ease of doing business by creating an investment promotion board which acts as a single window for all permissions and licenses required to operate an industry. I would like to take this opportunity to invite defense manufacturing companies from across India and the world to come and set up their shop in Goa under the Make in India program, a flagship prime mission visioned by Honorable Prime Minister of India, Shri Narendra Modi ji.
May we extend a very hearty welcome to...
I am also pleased to announce that we have already loaded Defence Procurement Procedure, the current series of 2016, already at 9 o'clock on the website of Defence Production. And you can get the full copy of it, printed copy probably after another 15 days, by which all the small annexures and corrections will be carried out. This DPP, I believe, can actually push the agenda of Make in India and India's target of achieving major success in creating defense industry network for its own need as well as exports. For Make in India, FDI levels have been increased to 49% through automatic route, and even higher percentage can be considered. In fact, the last 2 years government AON which has been issued, which are worth almost around 2 lakh crores, 88% of these AONs are either Buy India or Buy and Make India. So I declare this expo open today and wish a success to the expo. Thank you very much.
डिफेन्स एक्सपो 2016चे इनॉग्रेशन फंक्शन आतां सोंपलेलें आहा. आतां हांगासर डेमो जातलो, डेमॉन्स्ट्रेशन जातलें. सगळ्यान पयलीं भारतीय सेने कडेन आशिल्ल्यो टँक्स तेंचें डेमॉन्स्ट्रेशन जातलें. तेजे उपरांत ल्हानशे एरो शो जातलो आनी तेजे उपरांत इंडियन आर्मी कडेन आशिल्ल्या गाडयांचें डेमॉन्स्ट्रेशन जातलें. सगळ्यान पयलीं सुरवात जातली अर्जून मार्क 1 ह्या टँका कडल्यान.
One has already been operationalized. Propelled by a 1400 horsepower engine, it can attain a speed of over 70 kilometers on road and dirt tracks. Too often refers to it as a brother Ferrari. You would have seen its fully stabilized gun and hydromatic suspension. It classified it to be one of the finest tanks in the world to fire accurately on the move. Notice its high shooting speed turret, 40 degrees per second, with a gun elevation ranging from -9 to +20 degrees. This ensures quick and accurate laying of gun. Abdul Naku is a major with 3 armored platforms, appearing for the first time in a live demonstration.
Tejas media The vehicles have already gone through the bump. Now approaching the yellow flag, already been delivered. The second vehicle to follow is a mine-protected vehicle with a red colour bump from the blue flag and approaching the bridge. vehicle crossing the bump and will approach the bridge. The mine protected vehicle is the only vehicle in India indigenously designed for the unusually discovered the many state police forces for counter-insurgency operations. And eventually, we have already submitted our zero PA form. Everybody knows this as the Humvee. The Humvee being demonstrated is the M as an armament carrier. The M1151 provides the mounting and firing of various weapon systems which are ring-mounted with a 360-degree arc of fire. This demo has the M1151 has the gunner protection system installed for added protection to the gunner. The M11
लौकिक येतात ते बड्यान लौकिक साडीचा
थोड्याच वेळान हांगासर सारंग हेलिकॉप्टरांचे डेमॉन्स्ट्रेशन सुरू जातले तुमकां हांगा दिसता सारंग 5 सारंग हेलिकॉप्टर हांगासर येता ह्या वटेन
Singapore. Its coastline is on the middle fondly called as Milo.